Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash. I'm a trader next to. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD for Friday. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. So my dear friends, yesterday DXY showed some good recovery, and as a result of which gold was under pressure. You can see a big green candle on DXY and followed by some recovery. DXY made a high of 102.15 yesterday, and overall DXY looks bullish right now. So is there any trend reversal on DXY? Obviously no. DXY is still trading inside the range only. We have been discussing about the important range of DXY, that after this sharp fall DXY is trading inside the range of 102.40 and 100.80. This is still the range of DXY, but inside the range only DXY showed some recovery, as a result of which we got to see some selling on the chart of gold. So the range is still the same. 102.40 is still the weekly resistance. So if DXY really wants to climb higher, it needs to break 102.40. This is the first resistance, and as the market is under the dominance of sellers for the last couple of months, so as a result there will be multiple layers of resistances for DXY. The road is not going to be easy. So right now, my dear friends, DXY is still inside the range. No need to freak out. Okay, so DXY needs to cross either this level or this level, yeah, to have a complete to bring what to say, particular trend. For a trending market, DXY needs to come out of this range here. Now let's talk about the chart of gold. Gold, as we can see, that after this big red candle, gold is standing at 2011. So overall we can see that gold market is a choppy market. Overall it was an uptrend, but right now, especially for day traders, the market is sideways. There is no clear trend present on the chart. Swing traders, positional traders, yes, you can look for some good buy opportunities around the major levels, but for day traders you need to be extra careful while trading on the minor levels. So let's talk about levels one by one. So first of all, we have support around 2004 to 2000. This is the first support on the chart of gold for the day. Why we're considering this as support? You can see that we are considering the Fibonacci here. We have Fibonacci 23.6% around this area, as well as we also have previous price rejection around this area. So as a result, 2000 to 2005 is a strong support zone for us, where we have buyers present. So if market falls around this area, we can definitely expect the market to take support. In addition to that, you can also see that we also have 200 moving average. So if we combine all the factors, 2004 to 2000 is a good support level. During the day, we can definitely expect the market to take support around this area. 4 hours is a slow time frame, so as a result you can simply switch to hourly time frame or 50 minutes time frame. If you see that market is showing price rejection from below, market is taking support, showing hammer kind of a pattern or something like that, any good price rejection from below will give you the confirmation and you can go for a buy. But due to some reason, some sudden news, if you see the market is falling with this type of red candles, then obviously use your common sense. Instead of taking a buy, look for a sell. My dear friends, if you have the right amount of skills to trade but not enough capital, then I have the solution for you. E8 Funding is one of the most reputed name in the Forex prop firm industry. You can see that they have 4.7 star rating on trustpilot.com, where 91% people have given 5-star rating. You can see that they have balance-based drawdown and it is scalable up to $1 million. They have got various account types. You can see $25,000, $50,000, $100,000, $250,000 accounts. You simply need to pass phase 1 and phase 2 and bam, you get a live account of $25,000, $50,000 or whatever you choose. And the best part is that no minimum trading days, and you also get a refund of the fees. So check out the link in the description. And my dear friends, if due to some sudden selling pressure, gold breaks 2000, okay, gold breaks 2000 or 1999 level, gold breaks this level here, then there's a good possibility of a good downside. So if gold breaks this level here, you can also look for selling, because gold will not be breaking the support here. Gold will also be moving below the 200 moving average as well. If not a complete trend reversal, at least we can expect a profit of 40 to 70 pips easily. Okay, so if gold breaks 2000 level or 1999 level, then also we can look for some sell. So as a result, 2000 to 2004 will be a very crucial level for us. So we will have to observe whether market takes support or not. If market takes support and bounces, we can go for a buy. If market breaks it, we can go for a sell, because things will be a little bit bad for gold. Because you can see here, if gold breaks 1999, there is no immediate support. So as a result of which, we can look for a sell. On the other hand, if market shows an upside during the day, okay, if market shows upside during the day, then you can also look for some selling around 2024 to 2022. Around this level, you can also look for some sell opportunity, and the reason is that the 200 moving average, which was the support, will now be acting as the new dynamic resistance. And in addition to that, we can also see that we also have Fibonacci 38.2% retracement around this area. So as a result of which, during the day, if the volatility of the market remains normal, if market behaves normally, listen to me carefully, if the volatility of the market remains normal, then definitely you can expect the market to hit the resistance and reverse. If market reverses from 2022, 2023 to 4 level, you can also look for a sell position. But whatever you do not forget to follow proper risk management. Okay. And my friends, as I've already announced yesterday, that only 1 week left for the world's most affordable Forex trading workshop that I conduct in both Hindi and English. So if you want to take up trading as a serious source of income, if you really want to learn about market, then you can definitely consider joining the workshop. And the best part is that it's a 3 days workshop, and after the 3 days workshop, you will also receive support for 1 month. These are the benefits that you will be receiving after the workshop. You can see everything on the website, and I have also shared my story so that you can understand that nothing is impossible in the market. This workshop is not for complete beginners, because I have designed a workshop mostly for those people who have been struggling with the market for last couple of months and years. So there is a questionnaire also. You can see whether the workshop will be useful for you or not. It's a 3 days workshop followed by 1 month of support. And if you look at the price, then you can see that the price is only $15. Okay, the price is unbelievable, only 1000 rupees for Indians. So feel free to join the workshop, and the dates are mentioned and the timing is also mentioned here. Hindi classes 17, 18, 19 May, English classes 22nd, 23rd, 24th. If you cannot attend the workshop because of some busy schedule, you don't need to worry, you will also find a recording, because people from all around the world, they join, and because of time difference, most of the people cannot attend, so I record everything. Anyways, that's all. Bye bye, take care.